friends, as you know, it's Easter time, and for the Christians it's one of the most sacred time of the calendar, and it's also a time for an excuse for having a lot of food around. And in our family, the ham, never mind the turkey, it's either turkey and ham, but the ham, it takes center stage. And I'm going to show you this ham that I'm doing today. It's a shoulder of ham. Ham usually come in 3 cuts. You have the leg, which is cut in the shank and the butt. And those usually go straight into the oven. But today I'm doing the shoulder, which you have to cover with water and simmer for a few hours before you put the glaze and other stuff on it. Okay? This ham comes with this mesh over it, string mesh, whatever you want to call it, and you boil it with it to hold the ham together. After the ham is out and cool for a little bit, then you remove this meshing. I started to do it, but I wanted to show you what the meshing looks like. Okay? Okay, Angela? Next thing I'm going to do is remove the skin. You know, this is pork, and when it's fresh, this is the part that becomes the crackling. So, but ham, no crackling. Because we're going to stud it, glaze it, and put pineapple and cherries. So we don't need this. Plus we don't need all this fat. The next step in doing my ham is that I'm going to be studying it with poking it and pushing it with cloves. I have the cloves here in my hand, but first I'm going to, what they say, score the fat and make diamonds or squares, whatever. And just be gentle, because the next thing you know, you're into the meat. So there you go, Angela. This is the best spice for ham, clove. And it takes a little time. The next step for dressing the ham is the pineapple. So I'm going to put the pineapple in with some maraschino cherries. It's optional. You don't have to do it, but this is just a little getting the ham all dressed. Putting all the refineries on. Fineries on.
So you're just putting the toothpick in the cherry to hold the pineapple place?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I thought you were going to put the toothpick in the pineapple as well.
No, you don't have to, because it's going to hold it.
Right.
And they hold each other.
That's the trick.
That is the trick, madam. I'm going to add a few more cherries for the cherry lovers. Oh, dear, dear, dear. I'm going to put this back in the baking dish, set it in the oven while I make the glaze.
Okay, Mom, so you're ready to start the glaze. What are the ingredients in the pan?
And then if we have some pineapple juice, some orange juice, a little lemon juice, some mustard, and some jam.
And some ground clove.
And a little ground clove, yeah. So we're going to boil this, and when it comes together, as you say, and we'll pour it over the ham. Leave it in the oven to be beautiful, glazed and shiny and syrupy. There's such a word as syrupy. I like a nice syrup to go over it. So now you'll see it's turning into a thin syrup, so it's time to pour it over the ham in the oven. Thin syrup. Let me get my glasses off. Thin syrup. Ready?
Smells good too.
Yes, I must say. So, I'm going to pour some of this, baste it with some of this syrup. That is enough for now. it 10 minutes and then we'll do the rest. So we'll just put it back on. So, Ange, we're gonna put the ham back in for another 5 minutes and let the glaze get really set over the pineapple and the ham. Okay. Here we have it. Our nicely baked and glazed Easter ham. So for all the instructions, ingredients, etc., go to the website cooklikeajamaican.com and have a wonderful Easter from Angela and myself. Hello! Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, just press the button below and subscribe and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.